All right, folks, welcome back. Hey, today I'm going to try to do a DIY paint shaker because everybody's tired of shaking up paint. And I know I shake up a lot of paint. So we're going to do a automatic paint shaker out of some scrap material. So let's get started. All right, first, I had a piece of scrap aluminum, and I already bent it just a little bit just to give it some rigid, make it a little stiff when you put a little bit of a bend in it. And we're going to take this and we're going to drill some holes in it. And I am going to bolt it to a used Sawzall blade. You know where I'm going with this already. But let's see if we can't make this thing into a paint shaker. All right, drilling and marking holes aren't top secret, so no video really during that. And drilling through these saw blades is pretty tough because they are heat treated really close to the edge down here where they flame them up when they run them through before they put the teeth on. But if you move up a little bit higher towards the center, for some reason it gets a little bit better, but you might want to plan on using 3 or 4 drill bits as you go. All right, what I'm going to use next is I'm going to use some pop rivets. I may end up having to come back and fix these later. I'm not sure they're going to hold up, but we're going to try it this way because it makes it cleaner. Let's see what happens. All right, so I left the end about 1.5 inches longer. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to bend this over and tap these down and go ahead and put a pop rivet right here. This is just going to be a spot that's going to hold the top of the can from shooting across the garage in case something goes wrong. I don't know. I had some extra material, so that's what I decided to do with it. So let's see if it works. All right, so this is after I bent it over. Just kind of bent it in a 90-degree angle. Remember, this is scraps, and I'm just making this just to see what it does. It just seems right. Not throw away scraps, make something. So now that we've got the channel that the paint can's gonna lay in and the saw blade, the paint can's gonna fit in there just like that, and I may end up even putting some weather stripping in there, and I think I will, just to keep the noise down. So let's get this put together. All right, so I'm back. So far we got a wore out Sawzall blade, a piece of scrap aluminum, a couple of rivets, and a hose clamp. So we're gonna strap this can up and we're gonna see if this thing starts shaking. Anybody that was laughing, so after doing this, I found probably the best way is to let the can be aimed down, get away from anything that is important in case the can flies off. And it's a much smoother operation if you're using both hands holding the Sawzall. But you may think it's a lot of trouble, but a couple of seconds on this is probably like shaking this can for 20 minutes. So. Okay, one more time on the breakdown. Use Sawzall blade, piece of scrap aluminum, or you could use steel, and it could be off of something else. Old piece of weather stripping, still got a little sticky left on it. A couple of rivets, hose clamp, paint shaker. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment what you think. Whoever leaves comments, we're going to put you in a drawing at the end of the month to get a Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs t-shirt. I do appreciate you watching.